Hello everyone, here I am again with a new video of bone reduction guide with stackable concept. So if you watch my previous video, there I demonstrated one bone reduction guide video with pin guide concept. Today I am going to create the video on bone reduction guide again with different concept with stackable guide. Okay, so as you know, in bone reduction guide we have two concepts. One is pin guide. You will just need to keep changing the fixation pin, this fixation pin, okay, and you will be stabilizing the guide one by one. And here in this concept you do not need to change the pin and your guide will be staked on other guide. Okay, so what is bone reduction guide? As you know, this is for the implant surgery. First guide that we call bone reduction guide, this is to shape the bone. Okay, if you have uneven bone, using the bone reduction guide you will be shaping the bone, and another guide will be there. This is osteotomy guide. This is for the bone drilling or implant placement guide, you can say. Okay, so in the bone reduction guide, for all the cases, why we call it bone reduction guide? Just for the bone reduction surgery. Okay, for the anyways, the purpose of the surgical guide is to place and deliver the implant in a precise way using the guided surgery concept. Okay, using the 3D printing technology we fabricated the surgical guide. Okay, right now I have feed the guides for the dummy purposes, so that every practitioners should proceed the demo surgery, mock-up surgery prior the actual surgery, just to verify any surgical clinical issues or predetermine the surgical challenges, or if you have the precise guide or if you fabricated the precise guide. Okay, so the treatment planning we have done using the Blue Sky Plan software. Okay, then we design the surgical guide there, and once we design the surgical guide, we get the STL file from the Blue Sky Plan software, and using the DLP technology we fabricated some surgical guide. And again, post surgery we will be deliver immediate transitional prosthesis. Okay, so all these things are rapid prototype and we have fabricated using 3D printing concept. So right now I have three guides. One is pin guide to verify the indexing point. Another guide we have for the bone reduction, for the bone shaping. Third guide we have for the implant placement, to drill the bone to deliver the implant. Okay, once you have the precise osteotomy, this is the transitional prosthesis for the immediate loading. Okay, so just for the demo surgery, how we proceed with the actual surgery, I'll be showing through this bone model. So this was the actual bone model. Okay, so immediate extraction was performed. Okay, let me show you the case. Give me a second, bear with me. Okay, this is for the just demo purposes. We have prepared some study model so that we can make you clear about how bone reduction guide and how guided surgery using bone reduction concept works. Okay, this is the bone model. Okay, so first thing will be, we prepared one pin guide. Why pin guide? Just to stabilize and find the indexing point. Okay, so one guide to verify the indexing pin point, we stabilize the pin guide. So before immediate extraction, so for the implant surgery, if the patient is dentulous, to stabilize the guide, what we do the immediate extraction first. If this is the complete edentulous case, or if you are planning for the full mouth reconstruction, first we do the complete immediate extraction, then we stabilize the guide, then we drill the osteotomy. But here where the concept is for the bone reduction guide, so first always, whether you are following the pin guide concept or you are following the this stackable guide concept. Anyways, first guide will be the indexing pin verification guide. Okay, so this is the guide for the pin guide. I'll stabilize first this guide. Okay, and then let me keep it here. Okay, this is the pin guide. This is tooth supported guide. That means the guide will be resting on the existing teeth without performing immediate extraction. Okay, so using this pin guide, we'll perform drill. This is for the pilot drill. Okay, any pilot drill, 2 mm drill you can use. And once using this no indexing point, you will just perform the drill for the indexing pin point. Okay, once you are done with this drilling, you will be removing this tooth supported surgical guide. Okay, then only you will go with the immediate extraction. Okay, immediate extraction of this existing teeth. Once your immediate extraction is done, so your bone will look like this. This will be your bone without teeth. Okay, once you done this first guide concept, you will notice there are no fixation pin point right now. So using this pin point, using this indexing point only, you will be stabilizing the rest of the guide, not rest of the guide, the reduction guide. Okay, so this is the edentulous bone right now. I have performed the immediate extraction. Okay, so next guide, to shape the bone. So before performing the osteotomy, we will need to reduce this bone, right? So how will you be reducing the bone? This is the reduction guide you have. You can see this reduction guide. In this reduction guide, what we have, one is this indexing pin location, and the other holes are for the stackable guide, so that this will be the osteotomy guide. This guide will be stacked on the reduction guide. Okay, so this is I am going to stabilize on the bone. Okay, this will be sitting like this, if you can see. Okay, the reduction guide. So you can, using this guide, using this guide, you can shape the bone. One bone reduction is done. Let me show you this way. Okay, bone shaping is done, bone reduction is done. One bone reduction is done, the main final job is your osteotomy. That is the purpose of guided surgery, to have the precise osteotomy. So to have the precise osteotomy, that means accurate angulations of your drill, accurate depth, okay, and accurate position, so exact site perforation. So how will you verify the exact site perforations? Using the guided surgery software. There you will be doing the treatment planning. So exact replicate of this treatment planning you will be getting through guided surgery, post 3D printing, using your surgical guide. So once bone shaping is done, this is the osteotomy guide. So simply, I'm sorry, I have dropped one metal cylinder. Okay, see, so using this fixation pin, I have stabilized this guide. Make sure before bone reduction, once stabilization is done, make sure you are not removing this guide until the bone reduction is done. Once it is stabilized properly, verify if it is not moving, if it is rigid enough, it is fixed, it should be stabilized precisely over the bone. Once stabilization is done, once you have indexed the bone with this fixation pin, you will be reducing this rest of the bone. Okay, and this will be the result of bone shaping. Once you are done with the bone shaping, there your final guide for the osteotomy will be there. Make sure you should have the exact metal cylinder. If you want to know about how metal cylinder works and how to define metal cylinder and what sizes of the metal cylinders you require for the particular surgery, that things you need to predefine in the guided surgery, during the guided surgery planning. So right now, just for the demo purposes, I have using this metal cylinder for fully guided kit. So we have Blue Sky Bio fully guided kit, we have MIS fully guided kit, we have Han guided, Glidwell no company fully guided kit, and many other company we have for the fully guided right now. Husen, Dentium, they also have fully guided kit. Okay, so as per the fully guided kit, which we select this metal cylinder. Once your bone reduction, you can see these legs. Okay, these legs will be stacked on the bone reduction guide without using fixation pin. See, once you are done with the stacked, you will now, using the guided drill, you will perform the surgery. Okay, so this will give you the exact angulation, this will give you the exact depth, this will give you the exact site perforation. Okay, so once you are done with the osteotomy planning, I want every practitioner should, it is quite challenging surgery, bone reduction guide for the full mouth reconstruction. So if you are planning this kind of surgery and if you are planning for the bone reduction guide, you should fabricate all the guide prior the surgery, and you should proceed with one demo surgery, mock-up surgery over this kind of bone model. How will you get this bone model? If you visit Image 3D Convergence, we have dedicated team for the bone segmentation. So you need to proceed with the bone segmentations. If you don't know about bone segmentations, you can go through my previous videos. There I have explained how bone segmentation works, what's the purposes of bone segmentations, why it is needed. So basically bone segmentation is needed to fabricate this kind of bone model and prepare the surgical guide, bone reduction surgical guide, bone supported surgical guide. We need this bone segmentation procedure. Okay, without precise bone segmentations, your bone reduction guide is next to impossible. So make sure to have the precise guide, you should have precise bone segmentation. Okay, once you have the precise bone segmentations, you can proceed with the guided surgery. Of course you will have the precise guide. Okay, so you can see how this guide we can stack. Okay, we can simply use this guide and we can simply stack on the reduction guide once bone reduction is done. So once you perform the osteotomy, you are done with the osteotomy drilling. Next stage is to deliver your prosthesis, immediate prosthesis. Okay, so this is the temporary prosthesis. You can see how guided surgery works and helps. Okay, so in a day, we say that smile in a day, right? So we can deliver the smile immediately at the time of the surgery. Okay, so transitional prosthesis we have planned using the Blue Sky Plan software only. Okay, there, once we are done with the fabrications, once we are done with the bone reductions, once we are done with this osteotomy drilling, using this stacked hole only, you will be stabilizing this. You will be stabilizing this prosthesis over the bone reduction guide. Okay, and you can see we have the pickup holes also. Okay, for abutment access. Okay, and this is what you are done with the bone reductions and osteotomy, and now you are that same day you are delivering the transitional prosthesis. The stack concept is quite peace of mind solutions if you are not comfortable with the no pin guide concept. Okay, if you want to know about how other bone reduction guided surgery concept works, then you can watch my previous video. There I have explained the bone reduction guide concept with the pin, this pin concept. Okay, so this is the temporary prosthesis. Once you are done with the surgery, this is the way you can follow for these full mouth reconstructions for the bone reduction guide. Okay, so this video will help you to understand the concept. Very simple. For the full mouth reconstruction, if you are following, if the surgery requires for the bone reductions prior the osteotomy planning or prior the osteotomy, we'll proceed with the guided surgery planning. First stage to follow with the bone segmentation, then do treatment planning. Once treatment planning is done, over the bone segmentations, we'll prepare surgical guide, design surgical guide. Okay, And what are the surgical guides? Generally for the single implant you need one guide, for the multiple implant also you need one guide, for any kind of edentulous cases also if you have, you just need one guide. Okay, if bone reduction is needed, that situations will be needing multiple guide prior directly proceeding with the osteotomy guide. So we have three guide. One is pin guide to verify this indexing pin location. Okay, this indexing pin location. Second guide is reduction guide to shape your bone. Third guide is for drilling purposes, for the osteotomy purposes. Okay, so this is the three guides we have. Okay, so for the demo purpose and final, the main purpose to deliver smile prosthesis. Okay, this is the prosthesis. Same day you can stabilize the prosthesis using this stack position. Okay, so right now we have three rapid prototype model. One is pin guide, another is bone reduction guide, third one is osteotomy guide, and fourth one is the transitional prosthesis. Okay, so simple concept. First, how will you proceeding with the surgery? This will be the actual patient bone. Okay, if you consider this the actual patient. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so this is the actual bone, right? Without extraction, without following the immediate extraction, we'll first stabilize this tooth supported guide to verify this indexing pin point. Okay, then we'll perform the immediate extraction. Once immediate extraction is done, then there will be the edentulous situations of the patient bone, this, and then you will be stabilizing this reduction guide over this bone model. Okay, with the same indexing pin point. Okay, then you will trim the bone, and then your final guide will be the reduction guide, and it will be stabilizing on the stack guide. This is the way you will stabilize. Okay, so this is the thing. One is immediate extraction. First, before immediate extraction, first you will verify the pin point, indexing pin. Okay, then you will perform with the immediate extraction, then your reduction guide will be stabilized, then you will proceed with the bone shaping, and once bone shaping is done, then you will follow with the osteotomy guide. It will stack on the reduction guide. So this is the purpose of this video. I tried my best to demonstrate how bone reduction guided surgery works, not guided surgery, how bone guided surgery, bone reduction guide works, and what kind of surgical guides will be there. And these are the bone models. We used 3D printing, DLP technology. We have many different technology also. So for more information, you just visit image3dconversion.com. Since many years, we are assisting dentistry across the world in guided surgery planning, guided surgery training, and of course fabricating the surgical guide so that we can see your successful surgery with dental implant. Okay, so if you want to know more, just go through our website www.image3dconversion.com. there all the information you will be getting, and for the dedicated training you can register for our courses also. We conduct the courses through online, we conduct the courses, live courses also we conduct. Right now, due to COVID limitations, we are not conducting physical workshop. So basically just for the guided surgery planning and training, if you need more information, so just register your name through our website, and there you can meet me inside. Okay, thank you so much guys.